Hello, dear students. Today we are going to learn Lesson 9 of your Beehive book from Language and Literature course, Class 9th English. Bond of Love is a story written by Kenneth Anderson, in which he beautifully explains about the relationship between a man and animal. The central idea or the theme of the story is that it is possible to have a strong bond of love and affection between human beings and animals. In the story, there are different characters like narrator, his wife, and their pet Bruno or Baba. The story begins like this, that once narrator visits Masur and accidentally his friend killed the mother bear with a gunshot. The cub became orphan, and author thought that he must take him or rescue him from the sugarcane field. The cub was later presented to author's wife or narrator's wife, who brings him up just like their own child. There were a number of misadventures, happy events, moments of fun and laughter that they all share. One of the misadventure was when Bruno consumed barium carbonate. But it was recovered. He was taken to the veterinarian who actually gave him the antidotes and he recovered from his sickness. On the other incidents, he actually drank a gallon of engine oil. Though this incident did not have much of the effect on him. But as the size of Bruno was growing alarmingly, he was getting too big to fit in the family. So it was decided by the family that he should be sent to a zoo. Wife did not agree initially. She was too attached to this pet. But ultimately, she had to give her consent. It was definitely a difficult part on both of them, be it Bruno or author's wife. They both felt miserable. They were unhappy and they were depressed. For few initial days, neither of them talked, ate, or they could really live without each other. It was just because that they were separated. But definitely, there's always something that really brings cheer into the family, into the story, which is after 3 months, when the lady couldn't digest the fact that she was away from her pet and hasn't seen her at all, she thought of visiting. She gave an ultimatum to her husband that he must take her to the zoo. If he doesn't approve of it, she will go all by herself. And after 3 months, there was this joyful reunion between the pet and the mistress. She brought a lot of food items and he ate it. Initially, everybody thought that when she's visiting zoo after 3 months, maybe Baba would not recognize her. But contrary to everybody's expectation, he was filled with emotional behavior and was overjoyed. This meeting was quite emotional and heartwarming episode for everybody, be it the zoo authority or the family members. But when the time of closing the zoo came, that is by the evening, even author knew what is going to happen next. Author's wife requested the curator of the zoo to send Baba with her. But this curator was helpless, but he suggested that she must talk to the superintendent there in Bangalore. If he approves of it, she might take him. Wife pleads the superintendent, who ultimately adheres to her request. Bruno is transported back in a lorry, back to the family, and this is how this special enclosure is observed. The family then created an island they constructed, and all the old toys, pulleys, swings, and everything, just the way it had been earlier, they had all made it up. Wife and pet, they were finally reunited, and that's how the story comes to an end. It's definitely very interesting to read about such incidences of relations where one is, though dumb, cannot really speak, but yes, There are relations that are definitely based on their affectionate reunion, separation, and somehow they're meeting again. I hope you like the story. Kindly read the chapter, it's important, and do the textual questions that followed.